Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to resume what we have taken on lesson converting customary units of length, but we are going to have some problem solving. Okay, Leo, Javier and Mustafa are practicing for a marathon. Okay, Leo ran, please underline the following. Leo ran twice as far as Javier, so underline this sentence. And Javier ran 500 yards less than Mustafa. Underline this sentence too. Okay, Mustafa ran 4.5 miles. Write a number sentence to find the total distance that they all ran together in yards. Make a circle here in yards. So Mustafa ran how many yards here, Mustafa? 4.5 miles. So I want to convert miles into yards. Why? Because he wants the answer in yards. When converting a greater unit to a smaller unit, I must multiply, and here the multiply unit will be 1760. When we change or convert from miles to yards, I have to multiply by 1760. I must study this well. So 4.5 times this number will give me 7,920 yards. This is what Mustafa ran. So Javier here ran 500 yards less, and as I told you before, 500 yards less in math less is called minus difference. So what here Javier ran 7,920. What is this? This is what Mustafa ran, 7,920 minus what? Minus 500 will give me what Javier ran. So if I say I ran 5 miles and my friend ran 2 miles less than me, so my friend ran 5 minus 2 equals 3 miles. For an example, so here Leo ran, where is Leo? Yeah, Leo ran twice as far as Javier. So Leo ran twice means in math multiply by 2. Javier ran, I calculated him by 7,420. So 7,420, this is for Javier, times 2 will give me the yards that Leo ran. Altogether, the three of them ran 7,920 plus 7,420 plus 14,840. So the end answer will be 30,180 yards. Okay, now Lydia says to convert a smaller unit to a larger unit, we multiply. Do you agree with her? Of course not. Give an example. Okay, I don't agree with her at all. For example, to convert, first, to convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, I should, from larger to smaller, I should multiply. Okay, from smaller to larger, I should divide, because here I will give an example. 120 inches, when I convert it to feet, we do as follows: 120 divided 12 equals 10 feet. Okay. Maya says quarter of a mile is the same as 450 yards. Is she correct? No, of course not, because quarter of a mile is the same as 440 yards. Why? 1,760 divided 4, okay, equals 440 yards. Remember that the units of length used in the customary system are the inch, foot, yard, and mile. Remember, the customary units of length used in the United States are in the inch, foot, yard, and mile. I have here, this table is very important. 1 foot equal 12 inches. 1 yard, 3 feet or 36 inches. 1 mile, 1,760 yards or 5,280 feet. To convert, I will give you this like this in large numbers. I will give you like this table in the exam. To convert from a large unit to a smaller unit, we multiply. This is important. Holden's scarf, as an example, is 2.5 yards long. How many feet long is Holden's scarf? The answer will be 1 yard equals 3 feet. So 2.5 yard equals how many feet? I will multiply by 3. 2.5 times 3 or 2.5 times 3. So 2 times 3 here, 6, plus 0.5 times 3 equals 1.5. So the answer will be 7.5. Okay. Another way, we convert here the next fraction into improper. How? Can you remember with me? 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So it will be 5 over 2. This is how to convert the mixed fraction into improper. So it will be 5 over 2. When I say 5 over 2 times 3, I will multiply the numerator. 5 times 3 equals 15. And here the denominator I have 2 and I don't have 1 here. I don't have a denominator here, so I will add 1. Okay, so it will be 3 over 1. So 2 times 1, 2. 15 over 2, I know when I divide 15 divided 2, it will give me 7.5 feet. So the answer will be 7.5 feet. Okay, to convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we divide. Yeah, Emily cut a string of 42 inches. Find the length of Emily's string in yards. The answer will be, one way, I will do 42 divided 36. Okay, 42 divided 30. So make here the long division. 42 divided 36. 4 divided 3 equals 1, the nearest. 1 times 6 equals 6. Then multiply 1 times 3 equal 3. So here I make the difference. This is the step. These are the steps of the division. So here 2 minus 6, I do what here? 42 minus 36 will give me 6. Okay, and now can I make 6 divided 36? No, so this is the remainder. Okay, so the answer here, 1 and remainder 6. 1 yard and 6 inches. Another way, I will say 42 divided 36 equals 7 over 6 equals 1 and 1 over 6. Here 42, not 43. It's typed wrong in the typing. So please change this with 2. 42 divided 36. Here I simplify. Simplify means excellent divided, my dear students, as we said on the sessions in class. So here 42 divided 6 and 36 divided 6 will give me 42 divided 6, 7. 36 divided 6, 6. 7 over 6 will give me here, this is what improper. I want to change it into what? Into mixed, so it will be 1 over 6 yards. I hope you understood the lesson. If you have any question, don't hesitate to send me your questions on Google Classroom. Happy to be with you, my dear students, again.